Hello guys, thank you so much for enrolling my course. I will let you know about the sections of this course. So first I will introduce you, and in section 1 introduction of this course, in section 2 waxing body and facial hair, in lecture 2 gather the necessary waxing supplies for body hair, in lecture 3 wax your underarms, in lecture 4 gather the necessary waxing supplies for facial, in lecture 5 wax your eyebrows and avoid ingrown hairs, and in lecture 7 helpful tips and warnings for you. Now we are going on section 3, get ready to wax. Prepare your underarms, use a waxing stick to apply wax to your armpit. Examine your armpits in the mirror, and in lecture 11 important tips and things that you will need. And in section 4 preparing to wax your legs, and there are some lectures. In lecture 12 buy a waxing kit, apply wax evenly in the direction of hair growth, make the sugar wax. In lecture 15 test the temperature of the wax by applying a little to your hand, search for leg wax services in your area and also beneficial tips for you. And in section 5 making the wax honey and salt method, gather ingredients to create the wax, wash your face with a gentle cleanser and pull off the cloth quickly. And we are going on last section, preparing the skin for waxing. Exfoliate your skin, warm the strip by rubbing it between your hands for several seconds, warm the wax. And in last lecture 24 you will also learn beneficial tips and warnings. So guys, let's start learning.